Today we're making Ragu alla Bolognese with Mamma Giuliana.
Mamma Giuliana is an amazing home cook, and she has her very own YouTube series called Mamma Giuliana, full of incredible tips.
And, by the way, she is our mom.
She's our mommy. Be nice and gentle with us, Mom.
Okay.
So to make Ragu alla Bolognese, what do we do? What do we need?
So first of all, we need pancetta, and then we have minced meat, pepper, salt, tomato sauce, milk, wine, oil. Then we need celery and carrots and onion. This is what we need.
Okay.
Now,
What do we do first?
I need your help.
Okay.
Okay?
I knew it. Go.
So, you can mince the pancetta, please.
Perfect.
You use this one, you prefer the knife.
I'm gonna
This
use
is half
this.
moon. We call half moon. This is
Oh, I've never used that.
All
No.
of it? Mom, all of it?
yes, all of it.
Okay.
Okay. And by the time you can please clean the carrots
Okay, and?
and make mince also.
Okay.
I need mince.
Oh, this is...
Okay.
Okay. So all of the
Onion?
carrots, no?
All the carrots, yes. I'm sorry now if you're going to cry a little bit, but never mind.
That's it.
For make a good ragu, we need to cry.
Let me get something, a container for...
Does it have to be very, very...
Not very, not, but just what we need, similar to the meat.
Ah, okay.
Okay?
This is gonna be...
Because to make ragu, we just step by step. You have to cook first this one, and after you are going to cook more things.
And you were saying before that this is a special recipe, right?
This is the original recipe
Uh-huh.
that have been registered bene alla Camera di Commercio Italiana di Bologna.
Camera di
Can you
Commercio.
translate, please?
So this is the official recipe that has been registered at the
That's cool. I don't
Chamber
know.
of Commerce. Wow,
In
Mommy.
Bologna.
In Bologna,
That's,
yes.
So it's actually the
This
official.
is serious. This is official.
Serious stuff, guys.
This is a really original one.
Okay.
Okay.
This is enough.
Yeah,
Vali, this is the onion.
yeah. And is this
We
enough?
need celery.
Okay, so this is good.
More?
Yes.
Okay.
No, it's okay like this.
Vale, can you please get me a knife?
You don't have a knife?
No, I have this half moon, which is okay. No, actually it's pretty cool.
Here, look.
Maybe not for chopping pancetta. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Okay.
And I dice this. I'll do it here.
Now what?
Now you put a few oil.
Okay. Always takes me ages to turn this on.
Hot the oil. It's enough because you know after the pancetta, give oil outside. So when it's hot now, you can put pancetta inside.
And did you know the
Okay.
difference between pancetta and bacon? Because pancetta is not bacon. Bacon is the smoked pork belly. It's the, I think it's the belly, but it's smoked.
Pancetta comes from pancho, which is
No,
this one here.
bacon is smoked. Pancetta isn't.
It's not
so we're
smoked, okay.
using pancetta, not smoked.
Do you want to finish that one?
Yes, thank you.
This is a very, very long recipe, right? I have to cook for... I've never made the ragu, I confess. I've never made the ragu before.
I have, but again, once again, I cheat.
Can you put also the
I
carrots
use a slow cooker.
over here?
Okay, I know.
Okay. By the time, Benny, now I think you can put pancetta inside. And let cook.
It has to
Till-
brown?
No, not brown, but just transparent.
Okay, so when
Okay.
until it softens.
Must be softened a little bit.
I've never used the official recipe, but my recipe does have pancetta.
I think that this is perfect for that. Can I try?
Perfect.
It's getting soft.
Let me check, please.
I'm the official chopper here. Chop, chop, chop.
Basta. pasta, no?
Yes, you can put now here inside, Benny.
All of it?
Yes.
Smells so good.
Okay, so it has to, we're here, soften.
You know, before we put a little bit, the fire is hotter, stronger, and we put pancetta.
Okay.
Now we put a little bit down because the vegetable, the carrot, they're not to cook very strong, very.
Okay.
Okay.
Has to come soft.
Okay. So you lower the fire?
Yes, exactly.
Do I want to clean? No.
No, because we're halfway. Of course not.
No, why?
Okay. Then you add.
Okay.
Wait, Vale, let's have Mom do it.
I have the recipe there.
please.
Okay.
So we finished with this one. Well, maybe it's too a little bit higher. Okay. After we put the next step is to put the minced meat.
Once the vegetables have softened.
Once the vegetable is softer, yes.
Okay.
The minced meat.
The vegetables are nearly soft.
If you don't move a lot, they have time to cook.
Okay.
If you stir and stir and stir, they don't cook at all.
Can't sit still.
Benny.
Next step now, we put the meat inside.
What meat is this?
It's just beef,
Oh, beef meat.
not
Okay.
pork, nothing, because the pork we have already inside
Okay.
here. So it's just meat.
And it cooks until
It's little bit cooked, not brown, not very
No. Okay.
When you don't see the red of the meat anymore.
When it's all seared.
When it's all so just nerd.
Then we need wine after.
Okay, and it's white
Dry wine.
white dry wine. Spumante.
So after we put, when the meat it's nearly done, we put the dry white wine.
Okay.
And we let cook a little bit high fire because have to
It has to evaporate.
evaporate everything.
So you
And you
just-
know also the meat, if you leave very slow, put out the water.
Okay, yeah, I
So
see.
yes.
Okay.
So the fire really have to stay down when you put the vegetable.
Okay, and then
After you put and
the wine, it evaporates?
evaporate, and
Okay.
after we go on anymore. Avanti, we go. Okay, you want to put? You want to put? Just put, not drink, huh? Okay.
The recipe says add wine. It's a good recipe.
Okay, now this is just in a few minutes we can put the tomato inside. You can smell the wine. Yes.
Let's smell the wine.
but let me stir. I haven't done anything.
Okay, you stir it now.
stir.
It's your turn.
Because you're always in front of the stove for some reason.
I don't know why I always
You're
end up
always
in front of the stove to do all the hard work.
Yeah.
So remember just the oil a little bit because the fat of the pancetta is coming out. So
I'm drunk.
if you stay like this, of course, dear, by the time I can tell you that this bolognese sauce, it's good also for make lasagna, okay, for make fettuccine, make dry pasta, rigatoni, what you like. And that depends for the lasagna, if you want to put also inside the white sauce, you can do.
Okay.
Which we have the recipe and we'll share.
Because we're nice.
You see now the wine is evaporate. So
You want the tomato sauce?
you put inside the
do
tomato.
it.
You want the tomato sauce?
Move.
Yeah, terrible, huh?
Vado?
Yes.
Thank you. Excuse me.
Down. We have,
The lid?
Yes.
Where did you put the lid, Benny?
Okay.
where did I put the lid is a good question.
No.
Maybe they're here inside.
Now we can put
Maybe.
down the.
Well, this is a little big lid, Benny.
Sorry.
Lid.
Well, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. Perfect.
It's okay. I know where it is. Here it is. Let's change it.
Aspetta l'acqua.
It's really ugly. There. Perfect.
Okay, and now we
Okay.
forget about it? What do we do?
You lowered it?
No, now
I lowered it.
You lowered
Oh.
and have to stay around 2 hours.
Okay.
2
But
hours.
after 2 hours, you will see something really, really good.
Okay, well, 2
You
hours.
taste all the 2 hours. You will see, I didn't put any salt now.
Oh, that's right.
No, because the salt take out the water of the meat.
Oh.
Okay? So you put the salt and the pepper at the end.
Okay.
And do you know why this milk?
No, I wanted
No,
to
I've
ask
never.
you why milk?
I never knew you would put milk in ragu alla Bolognese.
Because the milk take out a little bit the l'acidità, the tomato.
The acidity of the
Oh.
tomato.
Okay, and come a little bit
I didn't know that.
sweet.
But at the end,
At the end and after you cook just for 5 minutes. You put at the
Okay.
end, you put just
Okay.
salt and pepper and milk and
she has
that's all.
so many tips up her sleeves. It's just...
No, sorry, this is not my tips. This is from the original recipe.
Okay, but you
Okay.
shared it.
You shared it and you found
Okay.
the recipe and that's...
So it's your tip.
It's your tip.
Okay, let's see my tip. Sometimes you check the tomato sauce.
Okay.
If it's come too dry,
Okay.
you can add a little bit of water or vegetable brodo, come si dice?
Broth.
Broth, or meat broth or vegetable broth.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but just you check
So
because
every
they're
once
not
in a
just
while,
yes.
throughout the 2 hours.
Between the 2 hours, you check sometimes so that doesn't any meat or can burn. So you add a little bit, not very much. That's all. And after 2 hours, you enjoy to have your
I'm curious to see the
spaghetti
final result.
fettuccine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Benedetta, I think that this time you check nearly 2 hours. Mm-hmm. If you can check, okay? Just check, not try now, please.
Yes.
Okay, so
Wow.
now the milk first,
All of it?
all of it.
Milk.
Now we put some salt, sorry. Okay. At the end we put some pepper also. This is a very good pepper.
Pasta.
That's all. Now you stir a little bit and let cook without cover
Okay.
for not more than 5 minutes.
Perfetto.
Let me see. Let me see.
Have a check.
Smell.
You enjoyed so lot to stir and stir and stir.
I know, it's fun. Is this how yours turns out? I'm sure no.
I think it's really very good, huh?
I think it's ready.
Yeah, it looks ready. Because you said
It's
5 minutes.
ready.
So
You
5
see,
minutes.
exactly. Finish. You see?
Wow.
Now we can close here.
Get some spoons.
Get some
Off.
spoons.
Yes, if take 3 spoons.
Okay, I have
Now at the end,
2 spoons. One for you and one for me.
You're such
poor Benedetta.
such a little sister.
Youngest sister, you mean?
Younger sister.
They are always like this, but they like each other, no problem.
The smell is good.
Thank you.
Pazzesco. Oh, buono.
You can taste the pancetta, actually, it's good.
It just gives that extra.
That
We're
little
going to be publishing the recipe in the description below. Remember to subscribe to the Local Aromas YouTube channel. You'll both get to see the Foodie Sisters and Mama Giuliana. So you get all these videos in the same channel, but then click on the bell icon so you get notified every time we publish a video.
Valeria, the spoon is just to try, not to finish all the tomato sauce. Because after maybe you put on tagliatelle. So you know.
What do I have?
Don't look!
They are terrible.
2, 3.
They are my daughters.